Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified first for all my new videos. Hey my foodies, welcome to Kanak's kitchen again. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm gonna show you one of the most loved burfi and commonly made burfi in India in any kind of festival or occasion, that is coconut burfi. This is a very easy preparation with just a few ingredients which comes out really delicious, and it's a never fail Indian sweet dessert you can prepare at home. You can see how moist it is looking. And guys, today I won't be using desiccated coconut for this. Instead, I'll be using freshly scraped coconut for that authentic and traditional taste. So let's see how to prepare this yummy burfis at home. So here I've got this fresh coconut from which I've removed the skin, and then I've cut this into small pieces. I'm going to put this into the blender or the mixer, or if you want you can also use a food processor for this. Blend this for a while to make a coarse mixture out of it. So I'm going to blend this just for a while. You can see this texture. This is how it looks, grainy texture. If you want you can also grate it as well using a thin grater. But I prefer doing it in a blender because it's a very easy option. Next, we'll roast this fresh coconut in a pan just for about 1 to 2 minutes to remove the excess moisture out of it. Do this on low to medium flame. So today I'm using this fresh coconut for that authentic and traditional taste. But if you don't want to do this and it becomes difficult for you to do this, then you can use a ready-made desiccated coconut here for a quick and easier option. Next to this, I'm going to add in the milk and mix that as well. Let it cook and boil along with the milk for about 1 to 2 minutes. After cooking the coconut in the boiling milk for about 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll add in the sugar and then again mix well. After adding the sugar will melt and leave some water at this point of time. So you can see this water. So keep cooking and mixing it on low to medium flame for about 6 to 8 minutes, or until you see the mixture becoming slightly dry and leaving the sides of the pan. So you can see this water, it's becoming little dry also after cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes. So keep stirring it continuously, and when you see it's almost becoming dry, I'm going to add in the milk powder over here for extra richness and creaminess. This is totally optional, and if you want you can also use some condensed milk also, but I personally like to add this milk powder to the burfi. So I would suggest you guys to add little milk powder to it for that nice creamy texture. Mix that as well for a while, and then I'm going to add in some cardamom powder and again mix. Keep cooking the mixture for some more time to get a thick mixture out of it, say about for another 5 to 6 more minutes. So now you can see it's become little lumpy and it has started to leave the sides of the pan also. Once it becomes little lumpy, next I'm going to add in little ghee and again mix well and let it cook just for a minute. I'm adding ghee because it gives little flavor and the burfis look nice and smooth on top. Now it has come to good consistency. Do not overcook it, otherwise it will become very dry and you won't be able to make burfis out of it. So you can see this texture and consistency. It almost took 15 to 17 minutes to come to this texture. So switch off the flame now. Next, here I've got this container which I've greased and lined with a butter paper. I'm going to transfer the mixture onto this. Even it out all over on the top with the help of a spoon or spatula to get a good shaped burfis out of it, which should be nice and smooth on top. Now it's nice and even on top. Leave it to cool at room temperature for about 1 to 2 hours. So I'm leaving this at the room temperature for about 2 hours. No need of setting this into the fridge, otherwise the texture will change. After 2 hours it's set enough. You can see it has nicely set. I'm going to garnish it with some silver work on top so that it looks more festive, as so many festivals, Raksha Bandhan and other occasions are coming up. So I'm going to top it up with some silver work, but this is completely optional. So you can see it's looking so lovely. It's looking just like the ones you get in the market. and then I'm going to cut this into the desired pieces. So I'm going to cut this into square shaped pieces. After cutting them into square pieces, I'm going to garnish them with a few pistachios on top. They look so beautiful with the colorful pistachio, silver work and white base at the bottom. It's perfect for any kind of occasion or festival. You can see this texture, it's quite moist and juicy, just like the ones you get from the market. So guys, do try this yummy recipe for sure for any coming up occasion, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section below. And if you really enjoyed watching this video, then do give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends also, and do subscribe to my channel for more such festive recipes. Enjoy! Happy cooking!